What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited, so stoked, so hyped up to make this video. Why? Because today I won't be showcasing a product. Today I have a much better opportunity. I have the opportunity to give one of you girls or one of you guys something back. For the first time in the channel, this is the entire reason why I made this channel. I want to be able to give back. I want to be able to help someone out. And just thank you for the support. Just be able to say thank you. So stay tuned and let's get into this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so as you may know, this giveaway today is not only me by myself, but this is from also my great friends at Dwarf Factory. If you're not familiar with Dwarf Factory, check out one of the videos that I did on their Miracle Island series keycaps. These guys and girls make some of the best resin artisan keycaps out there, and I did a review on the Miracle Island. I actually own 2 of them. So with that being said, they're going to collaborate with us to do a giveaway to one of you girls or guys. The rules to winning this giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you like the video and you leave a comment. And then the second rule is make sure that you follow Dwarf Factory on Instagram. Once you do those steps, you will be automatically entered to win this keycap in this giveaway. For this first giveaway of the channel, the winner will be taking home a Dome Cherry MX Artisan Miracle Island keycap from Dwarf Factory. As soon as the winner is announced, we will reach out to you to get your details and information, and you will be shipped out one of these amazing cool keycaps. And ladies and gentlemen, again, like I said, I'm so excited for this. Please don't subscribe to the channel if you are just going to subscribe for the giveaway. Make sure that you like the content, make sure that you like the channel, that you appreciate what we're doing here, and that you want to stick around. All right, and I also want to give a big shout out to my friends at Dwarf Factory. Thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you for collaborating with my channel from the beginning, where you send out the keycaps to do a review, to now doing an actual giveaway for one of my subscribers. I really appreciate that. Thank you all so much for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. And remember, everyone, be kind to one another.